Hi, this video will explain how to factor trinomials when your a value is greater than 1. So here is our trinomial, 2x squared plus 7x minus 9. If you recall, when we have a quadratic in standard form, I can write it as ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is written in that form, where the coefficient of your x squared is your a value, and the coefficient of the x is 7, and we have our constant that is -9. So how do I create an area model like we were doing before when we were dividing polynomials? Remember, factoring is the same as division. So if I want to factor this trinomial, I could make an area model where everything in these blue boxes add up to 2x squared plus 7x minus 9, and then the yellow highlighted are my factors. So I'm going to end up with factors here that when I distribute it will result in the bottom row. So my a value in this case is 2, and my c value is -9. So I want to multiply my a times c, which is -18, and my b value is 7. So can you think of two numbers when you multiply give you -18 that add up to 7? If you said 9 and -2, you are correct. 9 times -2 is -18, and 9 minus 2 is 7. Now, how do we enter that into our model here? Well, we know that when we add up all these squares, we get 2x squared plus 7x minus 9. So up here, there is only 1 degree 2 term. So that's my 2x squared. And my -9 is my only constant. So that goes here on the bottom. Now, these two middle diagonals, when you add them up, will add up to 7x. So how do you know what to write there? Well, these are my values that we entered here. The order in which you enter them into the diagonal doesn't matter. Remember, this represents your middle terms, so they are x terms. So I'm going to go ahead and write -2x here and 9x. So that when I combine everything here, I get 2x squared, combine my middle diagonal, 7x minus 9. So how to figure out what goes on the outside? Well, let's look at our first row. What is common between 2x squared and -2x? If you said 2x, you are correct. From here, I could multiply 2x times what number up here gives me 2x squared. If you said x, you are correct. And 2x times what number up here will give me -2x. So if you said -1, you are correct. X times what number here will give me 9x? That would be 9. And is it true that 9 times -1 is -9? Yes, so everything matches. So what are my factors? Well, this right here is one of my factors, 2x plus 9. And my other factor is x minus 1. So basically, all we need to do is rewrite it here in factored form, and the order in which you write the factors doesn't matter. So I have a 2x plus 9 times x minus 1. And you can always check your work. If you multiply these two parentheses, you would get the resulting row right here.